This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Donna Blanton. Like new, this home has been lovingly cared for. Full brick home, 1.5 acres, which is one of the larger lots in Verdict Ridge. Wonderful open floor plan, large kitchen with island, double ovens and Jennair gas cooktop with grill. Kitchen opens to the great room with gas fireplace. Spacious breakfast area with access to large deck where you can feast on the wonderful view of the 17th green. Go down the stairs to the patio with stone fire pit and watch the golfers approach to the premier 17th on the award-winning Verdict Ridge Golf Course. New roof in 2020, new HVACS in 2017-2018. If you need a 3-car garage, here it is. Main level master bedroom with double sinks and master bath. Upstairs has Jack and Jill bed/baths, 3 bedrooms and 2 great rooms. Partial walk-in crawl space with room for storage. Community features golf, pool, tennis, playground, pergola, walking trails, separate fees apply. Come live and play in the friendliest community in Denver. For more information,